Hello and welcome into the 3D. In the previous tutorial, we'll learn how to set up a project using Unreal Engine 5, and in this one, we will cover more basics such as how to change layout, create a level, and more. If you'd like me to continue this series, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you'd like to support me, you can buy me a coffee using the link below. First, we are going to change the layout of Unreal Engine from default to Unreal Engine 4 Classic layout. To do this, go to Window, select Load Layout, and choose the Unreal Engine 4 Classic layout. This is just a personal preference, so feel free to stick with the default if you prefer it. As you can see, in the Classic layout, everything is more accessible, making it easier to work with. Now, go to the Content browser, make sure the Content folder is selected, right-click in this area, and create a new folder. We will store our levels in this folder, so let's rename it to Levels and press Enter. Click on the Levels folder. You will see that it's currently empty, but we will save our levels here. To create a level, go to File, select New Level, and choose Basic Level. The reason is, we don't need an open world map as we already have one, and I don't want to spend time on basic elements like lights and sky. Now we have a new level, but it's not saved in the folder yet. To save it, go to File and select Save Current Level As. In the New panel, go to the Levels folder, rename the file, I will call it test_level, and click Save. Now we have a basic level saved. However, if you close the project and reopen it, the previous open world map will load by default. To set our new level as the default map, go to Settings, Project Settings, under Maps and Mods, change the Editor Startup map to the new level we just created, and then change the Game Default map to the new level as well. That's everything for the project settings. Let's close this, and the project is now ready to go. In the following tutorials, we will dive deeper, but don't worry, we started from scratch. To keep things beginner friendly, we will gradually increase the difficulty. So if you'd like me to continue this series, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. A big thank you to my supporters who have bought me a coffee. Your support means a lot. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.